Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and I was just looking at these really pretty beads that my friends over at Pandahall sent to me. Aren't they gorgeous? I think I want to make myself a tropical boho necklace, and I also think I want to do some knotting with it. So as I inspect these ocean jade beads, of course we see a lot of pink, and there's some white, but there's also yellow. And if you look closely, some of the yellow that's mixed with the pink almost looks orange. So with all that in mind, the pink, the yellow, the orange, the white, I've got to come up with what color cording I want to use. And of course we have pink. You would think that would probably be your first choice is pink because there's a lot of pink. And I have this baby pink wax cording and it would look okay. I think it would look really fine, but there's a lot of pink. So I have yellow, it's baby yellow. And I think I'm leaning more toward this. Isn't that pretty? Pink, yellow, Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and I really love pink and yellow together. So we're going to do yellow. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these beads onto this cording. I'm not really for sure how many beads I need for the length of necklace that I'm going to want. So I'd rather put too many beads than not enough. Now, after I get all these beads on here, I will start crocheting. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to show you how I'm going to do it, but I'll show you the finished product with me wearing it, and then I'll go into detail exactly what I did at the end of this video. So I hope you stay tuned. And this is the design I came up with. I just used those pink beads with some yellow cording, a little seashell I found on the beach, and just did some crochet work on it. Let me show you up close what I did. So I took that yellow wax cording and I left a pretty long end before I started doing my crochet work because I knew I wanted to do a little bit of fraying at the end, kind of give it a little bit more of a boho look. And then I started chaining. I did 3 chain stitches and drew up the bead, and then I did another 3 chain stitches, drew up another bead, 3 chain stitches, and I just did all that till I got all my beads done to the length I wanted them. I did not use all those beads that I put on here. I had put quite a few. So it's best to put more beads than less. All right, because you don't have to use them all. So then at the very end, after chaining 3, I just pulled it through to knot it, left another end, and I left quite a long end on this end so I could tie several knots into this here. I knew I wanted to put a shell on, so I just took some 20 gauge wire. The hole was already in the shell, and just wrapped a loop and tied the necklace onto it, frayed the ends, trimmed that off. This side, just tied a lobster claw, and we have our necklace. And there we go, just like that. I also made some boho earrings, and I have a video all about these. I'm not for sure if I'll have the video posted when I post this video or if I'm going to wait. But in the video, when I did these earrings, I only did 3 of these. So I've added 2 more just to give it a little bit more presence. But doesn't that make a really nice set there? So what I used for all this was a lobster claw 20 gauge wire to wrap my shell. Got a seashell off the beach. You could use some other charm if you wanted to. I used wax cording, and I needed a crochet hook, and I did a small crochet hook. Can't remember what it is. I'll try to put it down here, let you know what size that was. These beads were pink ocean jade beads that I got from Pandahall, and these are also from Pandahall. They're coconut rings or donuts. And I used 36 6mm beads here. Now, if you're interested in the coconut links, I think is what they call these, but they're just donuts, or the pink ocean jade beads, I'll leave links down in the description box below, so you can go check that out over at pandahall.com. And I'll also leave a coupon code for you. Oh, and by the way, you do need ear wires if you're going to make these earrings. So this was actually a very affordable piece to make, very lightweight, and very boho if that's what you like. Tell me what you think about the boho look. Are you a fan or not? Have you ever crocheted jewelry before? And I do have a tutorial on how to do a chain stitch. I'll try to find that and leave a link either up here or at the end of this video. But you can go all over YouTube and learn how to crochet. This is just a chain stitch for those of you who haven't crocheted. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.